What's up? Thank you for clicking on the video. We got a fun one here. Played some Jackbox party games with my friends, who are hopefully still my friends after getting into it with them. Yeah, if you like the video, go ahead and press the like button, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It really helps me. All of this was filmed over at twitch.tv/Phoenix_actual. Sorry, my brain just stopped working for a minute. Anyways, let's get to it. All right, are we ready?
Yarp. I think so. Everyone's,
Yep.
I have determined that two of you are secretly aliens. Please look at your device and confirm your identity. Your device can tell you if you're a human.
All right, let's
or alien,
just cut to the
not
chase. Who is it?
identities of your fellow players. Unfortunately, aliens will
Definitely
know who
not
their
me.
compatriots are.
All right, so Jack's the
We are
first
a bit
one.
of a disadvantage, humans.
Phoenix, you're definitely the fucking alien.
What the fuck?
For an AI program, you can be a real pain in the head.
Humans received the following prompt. The coolest thing I've ever taken a selfie with is...
Fuck.
And how did the subjects respond? Do any of the answers seem suspicious?
I already know who it
Look for
is.
any written answer that doesn't seem quite right. And don't
Oh
forget
my
to
God, I
hit
got
that
so
suspicion
lucky.
button. Talk to each other and find the truth. But remember, two among you are aliens and will be lying.
I do take
Okay, next captain,
selfies with the
you're in
cats.
charge.
I got lucky there, that Jack.
Hey yo,
Okay,
my turn
let's get a
now.
move on.
I got
Have a
fucking
minute
lucky
and
right
test me.
there.
There's less than 13 minutes.
yeah, I'm fully aware. All right, let's put these in. Right. Oh, God.
What the fuck?
You're offered the chance to have your brainwaves take over someone else's body, deleting them. You choose. Do any of these answers seem suspicious? Now you have to decide who's an alien.
Well, I already know
or
who it
just
is.
makes terrible life decisions.
Wait, what do you mean? Who is
Oh,
it?
who would destroy a surgeon? Excuse me? That's kind of mean.
Well, you're taking over their body, is what's happening. Which is still kind of sus there,
Yeah,
but
you're going to go immediately into a surgery and you're going to
Hey
kill someone.
everyone, if a player seems to be taking...
that's true. That is true.
Uh-oh, it seems I've underestimated the alien virus's capabilities. Aliens now have the ability to hack the prompts.
Yo, what the fuck is this, dude?
Fast forward, by the way. He's
Atlas hasn't been fucking tested once,
You'll be given
and I'm on my third fucking time.
best you can
What it-
because the alien
Get
virus will give
scrutinized.
only
What the
a
fuck?
similar yet different prompt. When the drawings are revealed,
I'm not the alien.
cast suspicion on any
We wouldn't fucking know, would we? Because nobody's fucking testing you.
As time goes on, I do my best to send the aliens harder prompts. You're welcome.
How do I draw this?
Here's the correct prompt. Draw an imaginary friend. There's gotta be a clue. Keep in mind, someone may have gotten a bad prompt, or they could just be a terrible artist.
What is
And
that
don't
middle
forget
one?
about those alien hacks. A smart alien can make someone look
Looks
suspicious by
like an
flipping their
alien's taking over a
prompts.
human.
Yeah, that.
Ali,
that
what were
middle
you
one.
trying to draw here?
Dinosaur.
What do you mean a
What
diet?
was your prompt? What was your prompt?
Well, I shouldn't say, right? It was
Oh,
the
you-
imaginary friend.
Well, I mean,
Mine was draw a shadow.
Hey everyone, if it
I need to recalibrate what I thought just now.
look at your device, you can now push the button and take us to the extraction.
Who just pushed the button?
Ooh,
Welcome to the extraction room.
Jack.
Oh.
If you haven't noticed, I've
Go figure
momentarily
that one of the
stopped time,
aliens
and
presses the
yes,
fucking
it really
button.
hurts to do this. Since you were the one
Yeah.
to push the button, isolate the two crew members you believe are aliens and press confirm. Since this is our first time here, you have 2 minutes to decide.
Impossible. Yeah, the bullshit.
Now the non-isolated
That is
members shall
some
vote.
serious
If you all
bullshit.
vote yes,
Let's
and the
vote no.
humans are
Let's vote
aliens,
no.
then the humans
Wow.
and Noah are safe. But if one of them
Because
is a
I already
human,
know
then
it's. I already
curtains for us
know.
all.
I already know
Okay,
it's
time to
Cayman
vote.
out here with
The
his
vote
lies.
has to be unanimous. If
What are you
anyone
talking
votes
about?
no, we'll have to go back. to
All right,
the main
Ollie, what are we
category.
thinking?
I would say no.
Well, obviously, because you're in the fucking
That's what
chamber.
Alien would say.
Yeah, funny. That's also what an innocent person would say. I don't think anybody would like to be ejected into the fuck arse into space.
Phoenix Snips already said.
Yeah, he
bon
says
voyage,
bye.
so-
Yeah, but you're making a big mistake. It's not me, nor is it Sluggy.
You know it's not sluggy. That's very. That's you know.
Because the fucking aliens know each other, so bye bye.
And you've all lost. You've all lost. And it was the man at the controls and the person to his rear. I knew.
Aw.
Yep. Guess who did it? What?
Damn you, Phoenix.
Nice.
I've determined that 3 of you are secretly aliens. Please look at your device and confirm your identity. Your device can tell you if you're human or an alien, but not the identities of your fellow players. Unfortunately, aliens will know who their compatriots are. So you'll be at a bit of a disadvantage, humans, and your desired participants.
The thing is, even when I'm not an alien, I'm still trash at
You
drawing.
entered
So
the
it's
wrong
like.
players. And here's what humans saw. Draw money. And now, the responses. Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
No, actually, no. I mean, Phoenix boobs. I don't know. Was he trying to go for G's for like gold? And who drew the smiley face?
That's
that
the
makes me
actual
look.
Phoenix.
Yeah, Phoenix. Why did you draw a smiley face?
What do you? Because we
He
have
smiles when he's
we
got
have
money.
fucking presidents in the center of our bills.
Why?
Yeah,
Why
that's
didn't you draw
actually-
the
Next
outline?
up,
It's just like
identified.
a really
Lucky
weird
you.
smile. It's just like.
Because I'm trash at drawing. We discussed this already.
There's less than 17 minutes. Anybody lose a sock? I found a random sock.
Yeah,
What?
probably mine, mate.
What?
What?
Look. Okay. There's
What do
a
you-
backstory to this, right?
Why are you missing a singular sock? What are you doing with it? What's going on there?
Well, ask my washing machine how it ate up the sock, okay?
Uh huh.
Are you sure it ate out the sock, or was there something on the sock?
You have
Did
been
it spat
selected
out?
to give your opinion.
No, it didn't even spit it out. It's just it went poof.
Answer the question on your device.
I put it in one day into the washing machine, and then for some odd reason, I have yet to find it. It has
And the human
disappeared.
prompt was... Frasier is the greatest show of all time. Okay, what can we harp on?
Slug, slug. Need
I mean, this is all personal conjecture, so it's like,
It is. It is.
yeah.
Data download. Here's the prompt humans should have received. The silliest thing I'm afraid of is...
Really?
Let's obsess.
Corbin Loch Ness. Okay, so I think
That was not the question.
yeah, you got hacked. Like my answer still makes sense, but I was hacked as well. I think what did you get?
What the fuck is the man in the pond?
What? What would?
Creature do you wish that was real?
I know
We're
I
on the
got a
clock
different
here,
prompt. I got
people,
a
so
prompt to
let's keep it
say
going.
the animal that I would fear most is.
Yeah.
I can go back to the buyer scanner. Hey. Alrighty.
Testing so he can hack himself, I guess.
Why are you?
Bioscanner
What?
again, huh? I don't blame you. It's a valuable tool. Think you'll do better this time? Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs
Okay,
now.
so the first glyph is going to be a J, a backwards J with a dash going down in the middle of it and a dot on the top right.
Alright, I got that one.
The second glyph is going to be 2 dots in the middle, a semicircle at the top, up 2 upside down J's mirroring each other.
Got that one.
The third one is going to look like it's a elephant with 3 legs, 2 dots on top, 1 on the right hand side and 1 on the left.
What? An
I'll
elephant
explain
with
it.
3 legs.
I'll explain it again. It has 3 lines coming up from it, 1 on the left, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the right. The one on the right has a little curve at the end. There are 2 circles, 1 on the top right, and 1 middle left. It kind of looks like somebody's leaning backwards to kick a football.
I
We have them.
have no idea which one you're talking
Okay,
about.
okay. Once again, it is a dot on the top right, dot middle left. There's 3 lines coming up. 1 in the center going up and right. 1 on the left with a slight curve at the bottom, and the third one is on the very left going up and right. It looks like a side profile of a house.
Open right.
The time to answer is coming to an end. The test has failed.
I need to see which one you're talking. You said.
Goody, so I know who the alien is.
No, the fuck you don't, because you described a
Yeah.
different fucking thing each
If-
goddamn
if-
time.
If Phoenix Boobs, who can't even speak, gets it, and you with
How the fuck does that look like an elephant, Atlas?
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep going.
Of course, you would go with drawing. And of course, I'm going to be involved with it.
Let's all agree to meet back here 1 year from today, but after some more art,
Not even the alien. How do you draw this?
would be quite revealing. The prompt humans
Fancy
saw
donating
was
no.
draw an invisible person and
Milk?
go.
What?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, and Phoenix as well. Yeah, yeah. Phoenix and Ollie, 2 aliens right there. Ousted. Hell yeah! I'm back to writing pod.
Hell yeah. Alright.
Look how Phoenix is the only one that's been tested 4 times. Next get tested 5
The
times.
writing pod.
Why am I being tested again? Answer this.
Let's see if there's any weird
I don't
responses.
fucking know.
Left.
I don't know. I don't fucking know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Because it's a stupid fucking question. That's why I don't know.
Time is running out.
Well,
Here is the human prompt. 2 celebrities older people like are. And discuss.
no, I only saw 1 to be fair, so that's my fault. But anything from like the 1960s, Clint Eastwood, usually. Just before you do,
Welcome to the
I
extraction
call
room. Since you were the
I
one to push
call-
the button, whom will you isolate?
the accused will
Since
be
this is
the
our
following.
first time here, you have 2 minutes. Now the non-isolated
The reasoning
member
for
shall vote.
we've
Okay,
seen
time
before.
to
Phoenix
vote.
is definitely the alien. Phoenix
The
Boobs
vote
didn't
has
even
to
bother
be
providing a
unanimous.
response
If anyone votes
and
no,
got
we'll
one
have to go back to the
intentionally
main
wrong.
cabin.
and Ollie outed herself when missing person was shown. Yeah.
It was on the side of a milk carton.
On the
I'm
side of
actually
a
gonna.
milk carton.
I'm gonna
It's
interject.
still
I'm gonna
present.
interject here.
It's still present. It is still present. Can we please vote yes?
I'm gonna interject and actually say Atlas is the fucking alien because he's so goddamn offensive about everything.
I'm not being offensive.
You
about
are.
anything. I'm being calm and collected.
He's been too calm and collected.
I mean, the way that Ollie and Phoenix actually
Oh,
acting
pass.
literally says alien.
You're all idiots.
Oh, okay.
Alright, can I get Phoenix? Oh, he was a uh-oh. Oh, we're fucked.
Dumbasses.
Oh, we're fucked. Oh, we're fucked. Well, bye-bye.
You three didn't even have to do anything.
No. Well, maybe if you stop making stupid responses.
First off, you can't judge if somebody's the alien based off the bioscanner because that's fucking trash. You know what? We're going again. Fuck this. Fuck
Yeah,
all you.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
But not the identities of your fellow players. Unfortunately, aliens will... By my calculations, you will have 18 minutes before I cease to be. So I'd appreciate it if you could
People
figure
are-
out who
oh,
the
no.
aliens are.
Oh,
Okay.
And then
oh yeah.
A little bit of a cut out there. I'm glad that wasn't just me.
let's see the human prompt. You and a stranger are stuck in the desert with enough water for one. What you should do is... Anything odd?
Wow.
I don't believe you.
I mean, to be
Ali,
fair,
no,
This is
Ali
fine.
would never. Ali would never.
why would you keep it? You just get murdered then.
Ali's too nice to keep it.
I wouldn't-
Wait, that's pick 3?
Yes, yes, you do, yeah.
Oh, that'd be why. Okay, so Phoenix, go on, up you go.
Shocker.
You have entered the drawing quarters.
Why are you
Humans
laughing?
received the following prompt. Draw a fingernail.
I do like Sluggy's look. Like Sluggy was probably the closest, right? He actually pointed to where the fingernail
Yeah,
was.
I'm gonna definitely both Phoenixes are aliens.
What do you mean? He has a fucking fingernail.
You
Yeah,
just
if it
drew
was
the middle
something like
finger.
just
You
do-
just drew the.
Yeah.
You just drew the middle finger.
We're on the
That's
clock here,
it.
people, so
Exactly,
let's
he
get
just
going.
drew-
Yes, but he has a
But if it was something
fingernail,
different, like a
clearly.
nail, yeah, you wouldn't have a nail on it necessarily.
You
Oh,
would
I
if you put
see.
in detail into the middle finger.
I mean, Phoenix Rage, right? At the very least, you can see the fucking nail, right? In a bit of detail. But you know.
Oh, God forbid I forget to draw the fucking wrinkles, Atlas.
Let's try it again. I really don't want to choose Phoenix again. For fuck's sake. 'Cause he just yells at me.
Truth be told, I'm really over this whole glitching thing.
You know, fuck it. No, actually, no. Do you know what? Fuck it.
This is the bioscanner. I hope you've chosen a team you can trust. Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs now.
Okay, so the first one is going to be. It looks if you turn your head to the right hand side, it looks like a person's dancing. So
What
there
the
is-
fuck?
on the bottom right, there are 3 lines coming together with one line at a 45-degree angle on the left hand side with a dot near to the right. Tilt your head to the right, and you'll see like a person having like a jig or something, like, you know, arms waving out. In the middle, it's going to be 2 J's, one backwards, one forwards, mirrored with a dash coming at a 45-degree angle towards upwards, with a dot in the middle, or a dot at the bottom middle. The third one is going to be a dot in the middle, a semicircle with a squiggly line coming out at the bottom right, and then another semicircle surrounding it with a little dash coming at the top. So I'll go again with these symbols, right? The first symbol is going to be, if you turn your head to the right-hand side, it looks like a person dancing. It's going to be 3 lines coming into the center, one on the right with a squiggly, the one on the top left looking like an upside-down J, the one on the bottom left looking like an upside-down J, dash going into dash, and a dot. Are we all good?
The time to answer is coming to an end.
Phoenix, you're not gonna yell at me? I think he stopped talking to me.
Yeah, it got delivered earlier. I saw the UPS truck.
Ooh, who the alien?
Okay, that was
Ollie got it
suspicious.
wrong.
Maybe test humans next time.
Phoenix. My boy.
Atlas.
Boy.
Atlas. Hey guys, turn your head to the right 45 degrees and then I will start explaining the fucking goddamn glyph.
If Ollie,
If I have,
Ollie can't
if
get all of
if
them
you
right,
can't describe the fucking glyph without telling me to turn my head.
you just need to turn your head to the right. That's, I mean, unless you're an alien.
It's not rocket science, is it really?
Yeah. Ooh, writing.
And the prompt for humans was, my favorite beverage is... And go.
What? He didn't press the A?
Look.
He didn't press the A.
Top of the bell.
Welcome to the
Okay,
extraction
someone's
room.
just like straight
Since
up
you were the
like,
one to push the button,
Hi, Jack.
whom will you isolate? Since this is our first time here, you have 2 minutes to decide. Now the non-isolated member shall vote. Okay, time to vote.
I'm pretty certain Sluggy's won.
The vote has failed. All you can do is keep testing until you can all agree. Okay, next captain,
I
you're...
don't think Pam's is won though.
Let's figure it out. I have dinner reservations
I reckon
at
Ollie's
space
won.
8:30. Whom will you isolate?
that's
You
not
Oh,
only
an
shit.
have
alien.
1 minute.
Oh shit, I'm
so
back.
act
I'm
quickly.
coming.
Right. Well, it's not
Yeah,
me.
that's
Definitely ain't me.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm-
Pretty sure
time
it's
to vote.
Sluggy. And maybe real Phoenix.
I was honestly
Alright,
like kind
the
of
vote passed.
thinking between Sluggy and
Either
Phoenix, if I'm
Sluggy
honest.
and the 2 Phoenixes.
Nope.
Oh, we better not have lost again.
It's fucking caveman and Ollie.
Fucking unbelievable.
I had a feeling it was Atlas,
Fuck.
but I wasn't sure about the other one.
Honestly, I knew it was Atlas before actually thinking, because the way that he tried and said, "Oh, I didn't get it again," it seemed too like, you know.
It tells you who your
Try
crewmates
hard.
are.
Yeah.
Alright.
The thing is that 3 rounds, I was able to keep my cover. Brilliant.
Alright, where is Jackbox? Jackbox.
All right. Appreciate the games. It was fun, everybody.
Thank you.
Fuck you, Atlas. What is up? I appreciate you watching the video. Appreciate you clicking on it, watching it all the way to the end. It really means a lot. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Disclaimer, we are all friends. Yeah, we're all friends, so it's just a game. Yeah, we're all cool. Just all for fun. Anyways, I will see y'all in the next one.